Receiving money from Worldremit in Kenya is easy and convenient. This video will help you navigate the process. Let's start with M-Pesa. After the sender initiates the transfer, you'll get an SMS notification with details like the sender's name and the amount sent, plus a reference number. To receive your funds, go to the M-Pesa menu on your phone and select Lipa na M-Pesa, then receive money. You may need to enter a unique code or reference number from the SMS. Your funds will be available in your M-Pesa account almost instantly. If you prefer a bank transfer, the process is equally simple. The sender needs your full name, the name of your bank, and your account number. The money gets deposited directly into your bank account, and you can access it through your bank's ATM, branch, or online banking. Make sure the sender uses a partnering Kenyan bank for quick transfers. Important reminders: keep your phone secure, and double-check all details with the sender or Worldremit. Also, be aware of potential transaction fees or limits. That's how you receive money from Worldremit in Kenya. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.